Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering on the SoundLink and confirming it has enough charge. Low battery can prevent pairing. On the speaker, press and hold the Bluetooth or power button until the LED flashes. This signals pairing mode. On your phone or laptop, open Bluetooth settings and make the device discoverable. Make sure other interfering Bluetooth devices are off or out of range. Once the speaker is blinking, you're ready to select it from your device's available list and initiate the connection. Once the SoundLink is discoverable, choose it from your phone or computer's Bluetooth list. The exact name often begins with Bose SoundLink plus the model. If a PIN appears, enter 0000 or accept the prompt. Most modern devices pair without a code. After pairing, allow media/audio permissions so playback routes to the speaker. Make sure your app's output is set to the SoundLink. Once audio plays, adjust volume on both devices for clean sound and test, with a short track to verify stability. To finalize, open the Bose Connect app to check firmware and rename the speaker for easy recognition. Updating firmware often fixes intermittent pairing. If pairing fails, perform a soft reset. Hold power and Bluetooth buttons for about 10 seconds, then restart both devices and try pairing again. If problems persist, forget the SoundLink in your device's Bluetooth list and repair, or test with a different phone to isolate whether the issue is the speaker or the source. That usually resolves most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.